Hey everyone! Sprint planning in Jira has become a streamlined process that bridges your long-term product vision with your team's immediate execution. By using the backlog view effectively, you can set clear goals, manage capacity with story points, and prepare your board for a successful sprint. Step 1. Create and define your sprint. We are starting with the planning frame. We do this to establish the time frame and the overarching objective for the upcoming work cycle. Navigate to your project's backlog and click the Create Sprint button. Click Edit Sprint to define your start date and duration, like 2 weeks. Fill in the sprint goal field. This is a short statement that gives the team a clear focus for the sprint, such as building foundational functionality for the website. Step 2. Pull and prioritize issues. Now we are moving to backlog grooming. We do this to move prioritized items from the holding area of your product backlog into the active sprint. Drag and drop user stories from the product backlog into your newly created sprint. You can also right-click an issue and select Send to, then Sprint Name, or use the Shift key to select and move multiple items in bulk. Use filters or labels to quickly identify and pull in issues that were discussed and prioritized during your planning meeting. Step 3. Estimate and break down work. We are focusing on execution readiness. We do this to ensure that each story is small enough to be completed and that the team understands the technical steps involved. Check the story points for each item. If you're doing velocity-driven planning, these points will help you decide if you've overloaded or underloaded the sprint. Open a user story and click Create Subtask to break it down into technical steps like development or testing. You can assign these subtasks to specific team members or leave them unassigned to be picked up during the sprint. Step 4. Launch the sprint. We are finishing with the commitment. This step locks in your scope and transitions the team from planning into the active execution phase. Ensure all story points are estimated and the team is ready to commit. Click the Start Sprint button. Jira will transition you to the active sprint board. Here you'll see your stories in the To-Do column, ready to be moved to In Progress as work begins. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.